Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice basic lowercase letters in Faux Calligraphy. In order to start this, you need to draw basic guidelines on a piece of paper, or as an alternate you can use any 4-line notebook. I would recommend you to go through the previous video of this series to understand the guidelines and basic strokes better. Let's quickly jump to the video. To start the practice, you can use marker, fine liner, sketch pen or even a pencil if you are a beginner. To write any alphabet in Faux Calligraphy, you need to take care of 3 things. First is the basic strokes. Let us consider the example of letter A. To write letter A in Faux Calligraphy, you need to combine these basic strokes. That is an upstroke, an oval and a downstroke. Combine these basic strokes to form letter A. In step 2, add the thick downstroke in this letter. Now in the third and the final step, fill up the thick downstroke with either a pattern or solid color. Focusing on these 3 steps, you can write any letter in Faux Calligraphy. Also, there are some alphabets which can be written in a single stroke, like letter R and letter S. Number of strokes are simply the number of times you are picking up your pen while writing the letter. An important thing here to notice is that you need to maintain same thickness of downstroke in every letter. Let us practice all 26 alphabets using the same approach.